Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both VPN Turbo and Capcut are installed and updated. Next, grant network and overlay permissions so VPN traffic can route properly. Open VPN Turbo, sign in, and pick a nearby server to reduce lag. Once done, enable the VPN connection, but do not close the app. Keep it running in the background. Make sure your device's battery optimization won't kill background apps, because Capcut needs a steady connection during media upload and export. Now you configure routing so Capcut traffic passes through VPN Turbo. Open VPN Turbo settings and enable split tunneling or app routing, then add Capcut to the routed apps list. This ensures only Capcut uses the VPN when needed. Also set DNS to automatic or a stable public DNS to avoid resolution errors. Once configured, open Capcut and try a short 10 to 20 second upload, or preview export to confirm media transfers and cloud features. Finish by performing a full export while VPN Turbo remains active to validate the workflow end to end. If you see failures, first toggle the VPN off and on, then retry the export because sessions sometimes need a reset. If problems persist, clear Capcut's cache and retry, since cached corruptions can block uploads. As a last step, switch to a different VPN server or disable IP6 in your device settings. Often protocol or IP6 routing causes stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.